I make an authentic plant-based sweet acai smoothie bowl without sugar or sweeteners. I call it a smoothie bowl because it can be made into a smoothie or an acai bowl. Let me show you how to make it. 1 cup of almond milk. I make my own because I don't like the gums and the flavorings and all the weird stuff they put in store-bought almond milk. And make sure it's refrigerated because the temperature will make a huge difference on how your smoothie tastes. 2 small bananas that have been previously frozen for about 12 hours. So they're about 6 1-inch pieces equals 1 small banana. So I have 12 pieces of frozen banana. 2 tablespoons of freshly ground flax seeds, 1 teaspoon of alcohol-free vanilla extract. I found that the liquid is a stronger flavor, sweeter, and it tastes a lot better. And unfortunately, these are really expensive. This little bottle is $20, but the powders are really expensive too. And I just found that the powdered vanilla doesn't taste like vanilla. I can hardly taste it at all. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon level. 1/2 cup of frozen pineapple. Just under a half. I want the sweetness from the pineapple, but I don't really want it to taste like pineapple. So let's see, maybe 1 more little chunk, a little bit less than 1/2 cup. And 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries. You can't have an acai smoothie without acai. So, oh goodness, this is getting low. So I buy Nativa's acai powder, and it's really good. 1 tablespoon. It smells so good and fresh too. A dash of salt. Salt really brings out the flavor of the fruit, brings out the sweetness. I've got my tamper in case I need it, and I'm going to start on low and then just make it higher as I see fit. Pretty. To make a smoothie bowl, I add an additional 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. So instead of 2 tablespoons, it's 4 tablespoons total in the blender. And then I'll add 1/4 cup of blueberries that are fresh and room temperature, and drizzle a little bit of balsamic vinegar on top. And finally, add the sprinkle of walnuts, which gives it an amazing crunch. The final result is the most delicious, healthy, sweet acai smoothie with a wonderful crunch. Complete recipe in the YouTube description below. Coming up are recipes that you'll find on this channel, so don't click off just yet. Hang out with me just a smidge longer. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.